Hi, I'm Ian from Associated Optical, and here today to demonstrate the new Eschenbach visolux Digital XL FHD. I'm going to unbox it all now for you so you can see what everything is inside. What I'm hoping to do is to show you all the different features of the unit and make it a little bit easier when you come to collect yours for the first time. So as I'm opening it up here, we have the accessories box, and in the accessories box for you we have a HDMI cable with the cloth bag to store that in. Also in here we have the chargers for if you travel abroad, we have lanyards, cleaning cloth, and also the charging cable as well. So for now I shall pop these to the sides. And in here we have the new visolux Digital XL. So it's nicely packed and padded for you, and underneath this unit we have your hard case. So when you're travelling, taking it out with you, you have that available. Here I want to demonstrate how easy it is to use the visolux Digital XL. Starting off, we have the on-off button in the centre at the bottom. Just by pressing it once, you can see the Eschenbach sign come up. As we've come on here, you can see in the corner we had the 80% battery sign, we had the magnification level that it was on, and also the percentage of the light that we had set up. Now, the symbols we have on the bottom, so we have the plus and minus magnification, we have the freeze image, and we also have the contrast buttons on here. So with the magnification, we can start as little as 2 times and go through either stepped through the magnifications up to 22 times, or you can have it on a gradual, as you can see as I keep my finger on it. Okay. Now, to bring it down, do exactly that, just press the minus button. It's nice and easy. You may find that it's a lot easier for you if you're used to using an iPad to use your finger. So you can use the pinch and pull, and you can make this larger and smaller just by bringing your fingers together and away, and also use your finger to scroll up and down. So I'll show an example of this when we're looking at a TV guide. So here we have BBC Two, and at the moment we have it on an enhanced view, an enhanced contrast. If you find, depending on your eye condition, you may find that you want a different contrast, and using the red button you can scroll through the different contrasts that are available. There are 15 different contrasts. Later on I'll show you how we can turn those off if you don't want to go through the whole cycle every time. So for this, what we're going to do is, as we go through the cycle, we're going to use the full colour mode. So you can see, as I pop it over the images, we have the full colour mode. So for instance, we're going to look at what's on TV tonight, BBC Two, and you may find that's a little bit too small, so you can make it bigger with your finger, and then you can go down as you wish. Now, the 12-inch screen that we have has been designed so you can fit 2 columns of new paper print in there. So if we bring it back onto here, then feeling at the bottom, there are 2 noggins, call them what you wish, that you can feel, and that measures the column of print. And you can sit it over the 2 columns, and with your finger, you can get them both into shot just there. Now, if you do not wish to use the touch facility, it's not a problem. On the sides, there are buttons so that you can go up and down magnification. So the ones on my right, I can go left to right, and the ones on my left, up and down. I'll just bring it out for you. Simple to use. Now you may find that you wish to use the freeze image. So for instance, if you're looking at a recipe, then what you could do is you can pop the ingredients or the method, and what you can do there is just freeze that image, and then you can take the magnifier, take the XL away with you, and then you can have a look at that whilst you're using that in the kitchen or wherever you're working. So as I mentioned, we're going to look into the menu buttons now. So the menu is just at the back, and it's the blue button at the top. In here there are many features that you may just not use, but they're all there so that we can make this product the best product for yourself. Now you may wish to use the guideline, and the guideline is here, and as you may hear, you press it once to tell you what feature you pressed, press it once again to activate. Once I press this, I can then press the menu button again to go back to the screen that I was on. Every time you turn it on and off, if you set it to a particular colour or particular magnification, it will stay on that that's specifically set for yourself. Now, so looking at the recipe here, as we mentioned, we can use the guideline here so that we can not lose where we are, and I can go down, or if I'm going left to right, and then drop down the line to know where I am. Just make life a little bit easier for you. So in the second menu level, you also have the ability to turn on and off the live touch screen. So this means when you go into the screen again, the touch has been disabled. You can use the magnification still, and you can still scroll left and right using the buttons on the side. Now we appreciate that every person who uses this is going to be different. So if you find that the brightness is a little bit too bright for you, beat the screen, then you can change the brightness of the screen there, or you can reduce it down on that for you. I'll pop it back on 100% for this demonstration. You can also change the lighting option of the light on the back. So we have 3 lights that are highlighted there. So if you are looking at something that's not well printed, you may wish to improve the light, which we can do on here. Or if you're looking at a digital device, maybe it's a mobile phone, you can actually, if you wish, turn the light off. You may also wish to use this as a CCTV unit. So that means that you can actually plug this via HDMI cable into the back of your TV. And so you lead on here, just plug it into the side, into the back of the TV, into the HDMI set, and then whatever you're looking at here, so it could be a family photograph, will come up on your screen. You can do that with a monitor, you can do that with a TV. You also have the capability, if you wish, to put a camcorder into the opposite side, and then what that will do is live stream everything that comes from the camcorder onto this. So this could be great if you are wanting to look at maybe birds in the garden, you could set it up to look at that, and then you can see everything here. Or if you're working age, it could be in a conference or in a school setting as well. Whilst we've been doing the demonstration, we've been looking at the different features that the product has. Now what I want to do is go through some of the things I can actually do with it. For instance, here we are looking at a holiday page of the newspaper, so we can see the actual image of what we're looking at and different prices and descriptions. We can also use it to look at a magazine. So if we're wanting to look at the hot buy section, then we can actually look down, we can magnify, especially essential when we're looking at magazines, that we have the option and the ability to change the contrast. So if it's not as clear for you because of the different coloured prints, then you may find that you want to enhance it to make it a little bit easier for you. So you can see here we're looking at the photographs. Always remember, if you do change the colour and you are looking at photographs, to change it back to the full colour. Well, it might not look as what it should do. So you can see what I've got there and how easy it is out. You can also see how easy it is to just move it across with the finger. Very intuitive. You can see I'm going all the way up to 12 times magnification. It can go up to 22 times if you wish as well. So we've got a magazine we've looked at the holiday page, we've looked at the TV guide, we've looked at recipes. All depends what you want to use it for. So this wraps up the demonstration on the visolux Digital XL. This is just one of a suite of digital products that are now available from Eschenbach Optic through Associated Optical. For more information, feel free to contact us on 01628 600 410 or www.associatedoptical.com. Thank you.